What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another rocket ship stock for you guys, and this stock is called none other than Rocket Companies, and it has been shooting up to the moon, and the ticker symbol for this one is RKT, just like its name, Rocket. And it has been going to the moon like no other IPO has gone before. When they start shooting up, it is going up, and I will tell you everything you guys need to know about rocket companies in this video, whether you should be buying, selling, or what to prepare for, because this company has a huge potential, and it is going to be making massive moves that I do not want you guys to miss out on. So with that said, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe, and let's begin. All right, so this is Rocket Companies, ticker symbol RKT on stockcharts.com. Let's check out what's going on its graph. So as we can see, it is on a moving upward trend, and it has a 2-day downtrend the last 2 days, but I think this is just a stumble on the road, and stocks can't continuously just go up no matter what. It just wouldn't make sense for a company to continuously go up. There will be some days where it's going to backtrace, and then boom, it's gonna pop right back up. Right now, I'm super bullish on this company. I think this company will go somewhere to around $50 to $100 is my target range where this stock will continue to move up towards. Now, I'm not saying this is gonna be happening within the next week or day or two. This is gonna be something that I'm assuming it's gonna take about 6 months to a year, but this company will definitely be hitting around 50 to 100 bucks within that time frame. This is definitely something you should be expecting to hold long for sure, because the future of this company is huge. Right now, there's not too much data that you can find. The RSI is about 68. It is a little bit high, and it's getting to a sell-off zone. So, but I think right now it's still a perfect time to keep buying and adding shares. They do have earnings coming up on September 2nd, so be prepared. But the good news is Rocket Companies already shared their Q2 earnings, and it was fantastic. They had some strong Q2 earnings, so I don't see why their Q3 earnings that they're going to be giving out on September 2nd should be any lower than phenomenal, because their Q2 earnings was absolutely amazing, and for a company to release that during its IPO, before its IPO, it shows how strong they know they are and how much further they can go up. Now, you're not going to have too much on their MACD and TSI, because like I said, it was just introduced to the market on, I believe, August 6th on Friday. It was a Friday, so there's not going to be too much data on this, so don't expect to find a lot of data. The only data I'm going to be showing you is pure exactly what the company is all about, what the company does, and where it's going. And make sure to stick tuned for all of that, because you are going to need it to make your final decision on whether you want to add more shares, or you just want to hold for long, or you just want to have a quick flip and take a quick profit. That's all up to you, but you definitely need to know what's headed, and all the details is in this video for you. So what is Rocket Companies? Pretty much what they do is they give you finance to pretty much go buy a house. They give you loans to go buy houses. And the great part is their loans are fantastic. The rates right now is absolutely insane. It's one of the lowest rates in the market right now, and I really like this company and where it's headed, and I think it has a huge future, and it looks like a lot of people are actually using them. I've seen so many ads, I cannot tell you. I've seen ads on Instagram, Facebook, on radios. They put so many ads out there, and they're just pushing their company forwards like no other loan company is. And I think a loan company in the stock market has a lot of potential, and that is why my target price for this company is around $50 to $100. Now, this company has a lot of flagship businesses. They have several other companies around them. It is not just one single company. I am going to show you exactly what other mergers they have as well. Here is another few flagships that this company has under its ownership, like Amrock, Core, Rocket Loans, Rocket Auto, Rocket Mortgages, Quicken Loans. They have Quicken Loans, which I'm sure a lot of you have definitely heard of, and they also have Lendesk. So pretty much this company is all about lending out loans and mortgages and giving you great financial rates to buy, get it, and use them specifically. Also, they use refinancing loans as well. So there's a lot of options out there with Rocket companies. Now, Rocket company already has over 124 billion in mortgage originations, another 6.4 billion in revenue. That's net, all right? And about 3.5 in the industry for refinancing your loans, and they have over 20,000 people working for them. Now, just look at their staggering growth over the last 10 years. It has been revolutionary, right? Look at that. They started from 25 million, then they just jumped to 69 million, and then now it's 95, and already in 2019, it's 145 billion. Sorry, guys, I keep saying million, but it's in the billions of dollars. That is their market share, right? That is how much they're making profits as well. And they are already taking the market by 6.7%. They are stealing market share from all the other loan companies, and they are doing a fantastic job at that. Look what else is fantastic about this company. They have a 76% retention of keeping their own people for refinancing. So let's say you have a loan that's 3.5% and you want to refinance that interest rate, 76% of their own people stick with them, and they get what? Maybe another 5%, 0.5% discount on your refinance, versus the industry. Most other companies only retention rate is about a 22%, and theirs is a 76%. That means they keep 76% of their old customers, versus other industries only keep 22%, which is absolutely massive numbers here. Now, Rocket Mortgage released their Q2 earnings ahead of their IPO, like I told you guys, and it was staggering numbers. All right, look at the total revenue was about 4.93 billion in net. Okay, that's net, and 5.13 billion also in net income. So between 3.5 to 3.55 billion dollars, and they aim to raise another 100 million into the IPO, which is the stock itself. So I'm telling you, this company is going to be extremely profitable throughout the year. So if you're planning on holding this long term, that is a fantastic move on your end, no joke. Now let's dive in a little bit more in their second quarter earnings. All right, their origination loan volume was 72.3 billion, and it increased by 40% over the first quarter. That's 126% in the second quarter, which is massive compared to 2019. That is an absolute massive buildup of numbers, right? Total revenue is about 5 billion. It increased 269% in 2020, guys, during the pandemic, all right? And 437% was 2019, right? This company is doing fantastic during this disease time, all right? So this company is definitely going somewhere. Adjusted revenue is 5.3 billion, increased 152% in 2020, 300% in 2019, but they are still doing incredible job. 2.8 billion, another 335%. I can tell you one thing, their Q3 earnings has to be absolutely massive. And if you buy before the quarter earnings, you're going to be very thankful, because it's probably going to shoot up like crazy. So right now, Rocket Mortgage Company is going around $27. I think after earnings, this company will probably be minimum $35 a share. So you guys should make that decision on your own, but I'm telling you, that's what I'm predicting after their Q3 earnings on September 2nd. Should be a massive jump right there. Now let's look at their balance sheet, okay? Because that is the most important thing about a company and whether they're doing well or not. All right, they have already 2.2 billion in cash, and their interest rate is already like locked in another 1.2 billion. Notes they received 223 million. Their equity, their deferred taxes. And look at that. Total asset is $21 billion in total asset. Another thing that's important is their liabilities. Okay, we have to know what their liabilities are, because they wouldn't make sense if they have massive cash, but their liabilities 10 times as their cash balance, right? So they have 11 billion in liabilities. another few budget here and there. That's about 17 billion. That's not too bad. As long as they're not 1% or above or higher, that means their company is doing pretty well and it's not under debt, and their debt to cash ratio is not terrible. And right now they're doing very, very good. You guys want to know why I'm super bullish about this company? Is because there is some insider trading going on in their own company. Their own directors that own over 10% of the company are doing insider trades. Look at that, $14 million trades. They're buying up their own stock, their own trades within a few days ago, like 5 days ago, 10 days ago, 16 ago. Guess what? This company is going to be massive. The owners of the company itself are buying their own shares because they know how massive their growth stock is going to be. Now, this is a fantastic growth stock, right? It is not a dividend stock. It is not some BS stock. It is a fantastic growth stock, and I am super, super bullish on Rocket Mortgage companies. One last thing I'd like to let you guys know before I let you go. If you go on to their company's website on Rocket Homes, they make it very, very easy to apply for your loan. It's quick and easy and stress-free to apply for a loan for a home mortgage, and it's by Quicken Loans, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard about it. So this company is definitely going places. Target price that this company will be hitting within the next, at least within the next 6 months to a year, for sure, if not faster, around $50 to $100 is where we're going to see it be trading sometime in the near future or a lot sooner. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily, so if you want to be part of that, make sure to add me there. I do post my trades that I'm making for that week and anything I'm buying and selling. If you guys want to follow that along, make sure to add me on Instagram. Also, if you want 2 free stocks from the stock market, WeBull gives 2 free stocks, one for signing up to use their platform, and a second stock when you make a deposit of $100 or more, and you get a second stock worth up to $1,400. So make sure to check out the WeBull, link in description below. Robinhood gives out a free stock just for signing up, link in description below for that one as well. Thanks again for watching my videos, and until next time, make money with Mike.